For me, I found something that I enjoy doing in the civilian world. So in the military, my counterparts will probably say that, you work as a team, and the students here do the same thing. The tools and the machines that you work with, they require your focus. Just like in the military, you focus on the task at hand, whether that's a small task leading up to the success of the mission. Your mind's got to be here, you got to be present. It allows you to block out all the other noise going on in your life. The use of the GI Bill to attend this course was a major factor in my decision to do the 10-month course here. I spent 22 years in the Army, and at no point during my service did I think about what I wanted to use my GI Bill for afterwards. The VA backed it 100%, and I didn't pay anything out of pocket to attend this course. I think when you attend a military school, whether it's basic training or a technical course like Pathfinder School or something like that, it's step-by-step building block instruction, and you find the same teaching method here. But they also offer you the opportunity to take what you've learned and make it your own. When I was considering attending the course, the first thing that I did was come to a Friday event, and to see the shop full of nothing but veterans was really cool. I hadn't found that. That doesn't exist over where I live, an hour away from here. So this gives you another opportunity to be around other veterans in a learning atmosphere, a relaxed atmosphere, an acceptive atmosphere.